Hello, my name is Masika. Welcome to the second lesson. This lesson is specifically for directors, how to create your event. So directors are able to see this menu, which you cannot see it if you are using the application just like a club member. So I'll click on my club. Once I click on that, I'll be able to see two menus, club events and membership. So I'll click on club events. I'm able to see the details of the club here. As you can see, to plan, whatever, all the events, I can able to see them here. So what I'll do is that I'll click on this button to create a new event. So I'll click on the plus sign. There is create event, publicize event, and delete event. So I'll tap on create event. So it will ask me new event. Do you want to create a new event? I'll say create event. So the title of the event, let's assuming that this is an ordinary meeting which has a speaker. So I'll say talk by Dr. John. Okay, whoever that one is. So then I choose the event date. So I'll say this one is happening tomorrow, which is 14th November 2018. Say done. Then event time, I'll say maybe the event is starting at 6:30 p.m. Okay, I say done. Then category. Now this is the most important part of this bit, choosing the right category of the event. So I'll click there. It will give me a list. As you can see, we have club events, we have meetings, then we have community service. All the 6 areas of focus are there. Then we have the country event, we have hangouts. Then I'm very sure you'll never use a none because all Rotary events are none. So I'll come back to club meeting. I'm a speaker. This is where it lies right now. So I choose club meeting, speaker. I say okay. Then it wants me to give a little bit of a description about the event. So I'll say there, Dr. John is a gynecologist. Sorry, gynecologist. I think I have some. It's a gynecologist who has, let me say, 24 years experience, and will talk about, let's say, motherhood. Okay, sorry, I've guessed almost everything I've done there, so don't worry about that. So I just have correct the spelling, gynecologist, gynecologist. Yeah. So I hope that's the right spelling. So this is an event talk by Dr. John, the date, the event time, the category, a brief description, and I can submit the event. Good. So event saved and allocated code 6082. Please consider publicizing this event from the club menu to have it reach out to a larger audience. So I just say okay. So the most important thing is a code we have been given 6082. So I'll say okay. So if I come to club events and pull down to refresh, I will see that the event I created is up here, which is talk by Dr. John, the code 6082, its category club meeting with a speaker, when it's going to be done, who created the events, there's a description there, and the rest thing here. So that's how to create an event. I'll talk more about the events in the coming recording. Thank you, and see you in the next recording.